Hello there, YouTube. I hope all y'all are having a blessed day. I am here today to do a little haul video. I have my December sketch box and I'm very excited to get into that and see what we got. And I also have a bit of a haul from Walmart of all places. Sanjay had heard good things about some of their watercolor papers, so I wanted to try that out. And I got a couple of markers and a few other things that I thought would be fun to play with. So let me turn the camera around and we'll get started. We'll do the Walmart first. And I did want to show you a piece that I finished yesterday. This is watercolor and ink and Karataki gold and some acrylic markers. So the video for that will be coming out soon. So I got some acrylic neon paints. I had some years ago and I'm not sure if these were, I'm not sure if I could find them, if they'd be any good again. I thought it would be fun in an art journal type setting. And I got myself some soft color Posca markers. There's 8 of them, and I thought they would be good for dot making. And I know, yes, I have other acrylic markers, but I always love me a good Posca. So I got 2 pads of this paper. It is 140 pound, 9 by 12 cold press. It has a nice texture on it, and it's wood pulp. It's not cotton. Supposedly granulating watercolors will actually work better on wood pulp than they will on cotton. Don't know if that's true, but that's what I heard. So I got 2 packages of that, and it's 9 by 12 and it was 20 pages. Sanjay had done some research and he heard some good things about this bee-inspired watercolor paper, and he wanted me to try it. And this is 11 by 15, so it's a nice big size, and it has a lovely texture, nice and thick. This was supposed to come in like a week or so ago, and it was delayed for some reason. There we go. This is the Floral Watercolor Premium Box, and here are the items. Okay, so we got some watercolor brush markers. They'll be fun. So we have watercolor brush markers. Oh, these are pretty. I like those. Pretty colors. And oh, we got some Van Gogh 140 pound cold press. I don't think it's cotton, but that's very nice. Very nice. So that will go with the markers, obviously. And then we have a fine detailed brush here. Very nicely made detail brush. This is a Sketchbox Round 2. This is a Japanese traditional color. This is a watercolor brush pen. Oh, that's pretty. And we have a lovely bee pencil. That's very nice. And we have a Copic multi-liner in cobalt. That's very nice. And last but not least, we have, this is thin line, tip of brush made thin line. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is pretty. It's a nice dusty purple. I like that. Now, did we want to play with this? Yeah, see, I'm not very good at flowers, but that is beautiful. That is beautiful. There is one thing that I saw not too long ago. Somebody did something. They did a field of flowers, but they did it quite uniquely. And I'm not sure if I want to use this. I don't think it's big enough. So I'm going to put that aside. I've taken out my gouache, and I thought I would paint a background here. And I'm going to protect the bottom sheets. There we go. All right, so there is a simple background. Add some speckles in it. And yeah, I like those speckles, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna let this dry and then I will come back. All right, I did have a little bleed through from the other page, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. Now I will try this watercolor brush pens and see how they work, see how they make just greenery. This is a very, very nice brush pen. Real brush tip precision liquid flow. Shake well before use. I did not shake well. Yep, that's what I want. All right, I think that's enough. You can have some fun with your fan brush and drag it up on some of the drips and get faint grass. That doesn't look too bad. Now you can see the distant grass. All right, I'm going to clean up and I will come back. We are going to make abstract flowers. They're not going to be anything fancy. So we're just making little silly shapes. Little silly shapes. Might have to do a couple of coats to get it to cover, but that's okay. Now you can see that I'm making the flowers a touch smaller as I go back into the distance. Oh yeah, this needs a third coat. There you go. Given several of these, in fact all of these, several coats, and that green watercolor is just seeping through. All we're going to do now is give each flower a center. They don't have to be directly in the middle. They can maybe a little off to the side. Makes the flowers look like they're not looking at you. That is our page. That was a fun way of spending a bit of time with you. It's a very, very simple concept, and I hope you will give it a try. If you don't have acrylic markers, you could use acrylic paint. If you don't have watercolor, you could use markers. You could use crayons if you like. So I hope you enjoyed making this little page with me, and I hope you'll give it a try. It doesn't take a lot of supplies. You can get stuff at Walmart, you can get stuff at the Dollar Tree. You can use your kids' markers if they're not using them. Don't tell them. But I had so much fun making this sweet little page in my journal. Thank you for watching my video. I so appreciate it. Please remember to click that subscribe button and hit the like button and leave a comment down below so I know you were here. And let me know if you're going to try this. Remember, I have a community tab, so you can go over there and you can show me a photograph of your project and let me see what you did. So thank you ever so much for hanging out with me today. I wish you all a very, very, very happy new year, and I hope God blesses you all throughout 2026 and beyond. I'd like to remind you all that I do have a Postcard Club membership here on my YouTube channel, and if you sign up to the Postcard Club on YouTube down below, click the join button, you will get a piece of art just like this once a month from me. I'll be sending out 5x7 pieces of art to every member that joins the Postcard Club. Join the Postcard Club and I will send you a piece of art every single month. I love you all so very, very much. You mean the world to me. I hope you have a very, very blessed week, and I will see you right back here at 70 Acres Studio with my next little video real soon. I love you all. God bless.
Good night, Elizabeth.
Good night, John Boy. You are fair.